This exercise is a guided visualization. You can begin this relaxation practice by sitting comfortably, with your back well supported, your feet flat on the floor, your head in a comfortable alignment with your shoulders, and your hands in your lap. Now, close your eyes and allow yourself to be guided through this relaxation. Remind yourself that you are safe and that this is your special time to relax and nurture yourself. Now, take a very slow, deep breath and hold it for a moment. Release the breath, making a sigh as you exhale. Take 2 more deep breaths in the same way, making sure you completely exhale all the breath. Allow your breathing to return to normal. Take your attention, your awareness now, outside yourself, and focus it on the sounds you can hear around you. Noticing a sound, then moving your attention onto another sound. Just moving from one sound to another. No longer getting involved in any of the sounds or having any judgment about them. Leave the sounds now and bring your attention to the whole of your body. Noticing where your body makes contact with the chair and the floor. Slowly scan the whole of your body, becoming aware of any sensations and letting any tension go. As I name the various parts of your body, I'd like you to bring your attention to each part as I name it, gently making sure that it's relaxed. Beginning with your feet. Relax. Moving up to your ankles. Shins. Calves. Knees, thighs, allowing your legs to become very relaxed. Feel the floor taking all their weight. Moving up now to your buttocks and hips, to your stomach. Allow your stomach to relax. And as you do, allow your breath to flow freely. Feel your breathing becoming relaxed and natural. Moving up now to your chest, over to your lower back, your upper back, and your shoulders. Allow your shoulders to drop. Feel the weight of gravity pulling on your shoulders as they become more relaxed. Imagine the solid blocks of tension in your body melting into a liquid and flowing down through your body and out through the floor. Have in your mind the image of ice melting into water. Moving your attention now down to your upper arms, elbows, wrists, and hands. Allowing both arms and hands to become relaxed, becoming aware of their weight as they relax. Moving up now to your neck, allowing your neck to become relaxed. Feel your jaw release. No tension in the little muscles around your eyes, and your forehead so relaxed that it becomes smooth and wrinkle-free. Let your scalp relax, your whole head feeling relaxed, your whole body feeling relaxed. Let yourself enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Now, take your attention away from your body and bring it to your breath. Becoming aware of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Allowing the breath to be relaxed and natural. No longer controlling it in any way, just observing it. If you are breathing through your nose, notice the breath as it passes through your nose tip. If you are breathing through your mouth, notice the breath as it passes your lips. If thoughts begin to enter your mind, just notice that you are thinking about something. No longer get involved in the thoughts. Return to the practice of watching the breath. It's normal to have thoughts and to experience distractions. Just become aware of them and refocus your attention on your breath. Imagine the thoughts are like white clouds passing across a big blue sky. They come and they go. Your focus is the blue sky, no longer the white clouds. Now imagine your breath is like a river. As you breathe in, the river flows into your body, picking up all your tension and distress. And as you exhale, feel the river flowing out of your body, carrying with it all these unwanted feelings. Feel the release with each outward breath. Feel the inward breath bringing in life and vitality, and the outward breath removing all distress from your body. Now take your attention away from your breath. I want you now to recall a time in your life, a very special time in your life, a time when you felt successful, confident, and powerful. Visualize this time clearly in your mind. Recall with it as much detail as possible. That special time when you felt powerful, confident, and able. And if you can't right now recall a time, then fantasize yourself being confident and able. Make it up. See yourself clearly in this situation. Who was there? What was happening? How were you feeling? What were you saying to yourself? Remind yourself that you can recontact these feelings of success confidence and power whenever you want to by recalling in your mind this special time. Now, take your attention away from this special time. Imagine yourself now being in a place, a very special place, where you feel absolutely safe, relaxed, and happy. If you could be taken now by magic to any place at all, anywhere, where would you choose to go to? This special place where you feel safe, relaxed, and happy. See yourself clearly in your mind enjoying this place. Visualize the details clearly. Who is there? Become aware of the surroundings. The colors. The sounds and smells. What's happening? Allow yourself to feel absolutely safe, relaxed, and happy. Really begin to enjoy these feelings. Allow them to flood through your whole body. Remind yourself that you can recontact these feelings of safety, relaxation, and happiness whenever you wish by recalling in your mind this special place. Take your attention away from this place and focus it on your physical body. Become aware of how relaxed you have become. Allow yourself to enjoy this relaxation. Feel yourself sinking even deeper into it. Every part of your body feeling settled and still. Now, take your attention away from your body and bring it once again to the sounds around you. Noticing a sound and gently moving from one sound to another. Moving your attention now back to this room, imagining its shape and size, the furniture, colors, and where you are in the room. And now, slowly, slowly, open your eyes and allow yourself to return to the present, feeling relaxed, alert, and refreshed.